Yo, what's up, guys? I'm chilling with my boy, Kaveshin.
Kavi's Auto Reviews.
Kavi's Auto Reviews, and obviously I'm Thuto from Nothing Ordinary, and today we're just going to be showcasing what's going down at
Creative Rides, yeah, at Monte Casino.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome.
It looks like there's some epic cars here.
Man, there's a
lot of variety from BMWs, Mercedes.
Bro,
there's even some
there's some old school Model T Fords.
American stuff, exactly.
I mean, there's some are those T2s and T1s, VWs. Man, they are looking amazing.
Yeah.
How do you feel about these rides, bro?
So far, I am taken away, man. There's so much variety here.
Yeah.
Obviously, I am personally more of a BM guy.
Yeah.
As you can see here, there's a lot of action to check out.
Oh man, look at that Alpina, boy, the B10. Can you see it in the classic green over
there? The 5 Series over here.
Yeah.
So let's wanna go through each one.
Let's go through each and every one of them. What is this? Is this obviously it's a 90s M3? What year do you think it is?
I think maybe 98. I'm not too sure.
No, it's looking like 98, 96, 97, somewhere there. Yeah. Let's just make sure for you guys so that you know for a fact what the car is. Can you show them the little plaque on the windshield? It's 98. You're right. It's a 98. Actually,
straight 6.
Our car knowledge is actually not that
not too bad, yeah.
This thing's got a straight 6.
Yeah, correct.
And how many kilowatts do you think it makes?
I don't know, maybe around 150.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm thinking a bit more. I'm thinking 180. Does the plaque card tell us? Let's check this out. It's a straight 6 manual. It's from 1990 to 2000. Actually, they don't tell us how much kilowatts it makes, but it's got 137 kilometers, 137,000 kilometers.
Oh, for this year, eh?
For this year, it's not too bad. The interior looks clean, guys. Take it from me, it looks amazing. Do you like the wooden accents in the
I do, actually. I think it suits this time.
Yeah.
The bodywork obviously is not too bad. Yeah. I think this color obviously is a bit hard to keep fresh for a very long time, but it's not too bad considering it's the blue spec. Yeah. But the interior you can actually see is well looked after.
The yellow M3 this side.
This is a different story.
This is a different story.
I think this is still.
Look at the interior. Show the people the interior, my boy. Show the people the interior. It looks amazing.
Yeah, I'm not sure if this M stitching came standard or not.
I think it's stock.
Yeah, I think it's stock.
I actually think it's stock. Does it have the split seats over there?
Yeah.
The leg support.
Yes.
Thigh support actually.
Yeah.
It does. So it's standard, boy.
It looks good.
I'd buy this one actually. This is my kind of style. I love everything about this car. I mean, these were game changers. We used to call them dolphins back, and G-strings. Yeah, and G-strings.
But check this out. Check this B8 Alpina.
This is a B10.
B10.
Yeah, this is a B10.
You're right there.
Yeah, it's a 3.5 liter. It's probably a straight 6, like every other BM of that particular era. You get what I'm saying?
The straight 6s are coming back in the new gen also.
Man, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Can't even lie. I am loving this. Yo, my boy.
So this is a 1991 model.
Oh.
Alpina B10 E34 5 Series.
It's got cloth interior, which is pretty rare, and I love it. I don't know what, but it's so clean. Look at that. It is so clean.
As well as steering wheel. You can see it's specced out nicely, this one, eh?
Yeah. Obviously, the car owner here had a lot of money to can be like, give me the best of the best when he bought it from the Alpina factory in Germany.
No, definitely. This is going to be quite a collector here.
Yeah.
If it isn't already, you know.
How much do you think they're going to pay for this? How much would you pay for this?
How much would I pay for it? I think it's 1.2 million.
Yeah, boy.
1.2.
I think that's fair.
Man, for me, I'd pay tops 700,000. Sorry.
Yeah, I think actually you're right. Yeah. For me, I think the 1.2.
Yeah.
I would definitely go with the 35 ISs that we're gonna come across now. Here's actually another Alpina before we get there. Heritage edition. Yeah.
This is beautiful. This is obviously based on the 3 Series E30 model. let's go check out a bit more information.
Yeah. Steel
Do you
bumpers.
like the steel bumpers?
I
do.
like the plastic more.
Yeah,
but I know that the steel bumpers are actually getting quite sought after these days.
I mean, it's a 1988. For a 1988, this car looks amazing.
It's fresh. This is actually one of the cleanest ones.
It's got 10,000 kilometers on the mileage. 10,000 kilometers.
Where have you seen this before, eh?
Bro, this is probably going to fetch a lot of money. I would pay a mil for this.
I think this is the 1.2 upwards car.
I would pay a mil for this.
Stop it. Get some help.
New car. Well, here's the legend of the legends. I want to be in the shot for this one. This, guys, is a fucking legend. This is an amazing car. It's a 325 IS. Obviously, they were produced where?
South Africa.
We made these. We made these.
Opel Superboss as well. Yes,
There's a couple of other cars that we actually did make in South Africa, but this is a legend, right here. They call it Temba Lama Khumush. Obviously, it was a sort of the getaway car. Let's be honest.
Yes, it was a gangster's car. You know that.
It was a gangster's car. It still is, you know. But modern day gangsters like me and you.
Exactly. Like now it's actually more of garage queens, as we call them. Parked off.
But chances are, if I owned one of these, I'd drive it.
Is it?
I'd it. Obviously with a gun or a couple.
Yes, exactly.
There's more Alpinas. I wouldn't buy this one. It's not as clean as the other cars that I've seen.
Definitely as well. Even going back to the IS, I mean, obviously because it's a legend, I think it will fetch quite a lot. But there is another two we're gonna check out, or another three, in fact. I think this is actually the worst condition one. Like not worse, but out of the four, it's not the.
But I feel like with a bit money, not even a lot, it would look amazing.
Showroom condition, definitely.
Here's another 325 IS in the classic green. Is this British racing green?
It looks like British racing green. I'm not sure what's the exact color code, but it definitely looks that way.
And then the interior is clean, my boy. It is clean. Everything looks stock standard except for the tape. Let me check out the tape. The tape, there is no tape in the car.
Yeah, man. But look at the seats.
The seats, the dash, man, everything in this.
As you know,
it's got 21,000 kilometers on the dash, boy. 21,000 kilometers.
This is a very clean one.
This is very clean.
Paintwork, I'm not sure it's been restored, but with 21,000, it could actually be original.
Yeah.
And this definitely, I think, will fetch more than the black one that we saw so far.
Yeah, true. What are you anticipating in terms of price?
This is actually not a 325 IS, looks like it. It's actually supercharged E36. There's the IS kit on it, you know?
Ooh, boy, and it's a 3.3 liter straight six, so it's probably faster.
Yeah, no, definitely. I think this is going to be quick. Yeah. So, I don't know what you guys think, whether you like it modified or you like it authentic. I personally prefer it authentic and original. Yeah. That will fetch more money for me, but what do you think? No, would you buy the?
I would definitely. I would. Sometimes I like them stock. I like them modified. But the thing is, man, I feel like our audience should tell us. They should comment in the comment section and let us know how they feel about the two 325s that we saw. The one is stock standard, the other one has a 3.3 liter. It's supercharged. Obviously, it's modified. So they should let us know what they feel and what they think about the cars.
How about this one here?
Oh man, this is a classic. Let me see if it's stock standard. Actually, is it stock standard? Yep. It's got that 2.7 liter straight six.
Yeah, this is
it's white.
Original, yeah.
Look at the M colors on the interior. It looks amazing, guys. Take our word for it.
Yeah, it actually looks like this is original interior. You can see there's a bit of wear in the front seats. That shows the authenticity of it, you know.
Take our word for it. This car is beautiful. What are you anticipating in terms of price?
Now, obviously, I initially said that the green one is gonna fetch the most.
Yeah.
But
looking at this
one, yeah, I think it looks quite original.
Yeah.
Obviously, there is some aftermarket like speakers here in the back, you know.
But who doesn't want a sound system in a 325, bro?
Exactly. So I think this one will fetch the most, if not.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at this next one.
Oh, my boy. How do you feel about this one?
So far, I love the color, man. It's like a grayish blue. Yeah, I'm not sure. Do you think it's original color? Most probably, no?
Yeah, no. Let's look at the mileage. I feel like the mileage always lets us know. The mileage always lets us know whether it's original or not. How many original miles? It's got 100,000. It's probably.
I think this is legit.
It's probably yeah.
I think this is legit. This is stock, yeah.
And I mean, I feel like a lot of people will know, particularly if you're a car guy, that the car's engine starts opening up at 100,000
Exactly.
kilometers.
Yeah. That's when you're gonna feel it the most.
Do you want to see more BMWs, or should we look at some old supercars? Like look at this. Look at this. This is a Lamborghini.
I think it's a Jalpa, if not
Yeah,
mistaken.
it's probably a Jalpa,
Yeah.
the baby Lamborghini of the time. Basically, this is the Gallardo of its time.
Yes, exactly. This was the entry level.
Yeah.
1984 Lamborghini Jalpa. This had a V8,
Yeah.
and obviously in a classic yellow, which I think is only one vehicle that I'll get in yellow, and that's a Lambo.
Yeah. No, I love it. I love the yellow. It looks amazing, boy. Yeah. Let's look at the rear end. That's where the engine is, obviously, like every other Lamborghini, except for a couple that were made during Lamborghini's inception.
When they were still, testing out a few things.
Yeah.
But doesn't this spoiler look similar to the ones that you find on the Countach?
Countach.
Yes.
This is an amazing car. I wouldn't even lie. It's a baby Lamborghini, but it is amazing. And for the age, bro, I feel like if you were to drive this into town roads, you'd fit in.
Exactly. In fact, it looks like actually a kit car, to be honest.
Yeah.
A lot of
You
people
think so? Obviously for the time.
Exactly, for the time, and for first impressions, because it's not the most popular Lamborghini, a lot of people won't know it. I would assume it was a kit car if I saw it on the road.
Yeah, but you're a car guy,
Those
so
who know will know exactly.
let's show them the interior.
Yeah, man. Check this out. It's actually quite small in here, eh?
Yeah.
I don't think the both of us will fit in here now. It'll be quite cramped.
But I feel like it's a supercar, so